Number 18, for a perfectly competitive employer, the value of the marginal product curve is the firm's labor blank curve. This means the marginal product curve has a blank slope. I find this combines two different concepts that's kind of confusing, so let's just go over and label this graph. And this is going to be the wage rate. This is the quantity of labor. Now I could make this side by side, but I'm not going to do that right now. And so this curve right here is called marginal factor cost, but it's actually equal to the supply of labor because workers are willing to supply labor. And I cut that off the wrong way. There we go, hot dog. Anyway, the idea is that then we have a downward sloping MRP curve, which is the same as marginal revenue product, and it equals the demand curve. And that is the demand for labor because that's the value that you get from labor. And so the tricky thing is that MRP is VMPL, the value of the marginal product of labor. So MRP is VMPL, so is the firm's labor demand curve is what they're saying. And this means that the product curve has a negative slope because it's downward sloping. This is more of a math question. I don't think it's the greatest question, but it's a great excuse to review that MRP is VMPL and that MRP is downward sloping.